From the creators of the best play-based bilingual learning materials, Hola Amigo could not be more excited to introduce Mundo Bilingüe, a brand new play-based bilingual subscription line for ages 3+. Mundo Bilingüe combines the very best pieces of what thousands of families already love and adore about Hola Amigo, with a one-of-a-kind invitation to play, build, and dream within your very own bilingual village community. Your play-based learning kit will arrive in a beautiful full-color box guaranteed to spark imagination, creativity, and exploration. Each month, your play kit will include a new area of your community to explore. As you grow and learn, so will your village. Your first month will begin with this adorable casita. But it isn't just any casa. Your Mi Mundo Bilingüe subscription will take you on a gran aventura exploring your bilingual community and learning all about the amazing people that live there, like beekeepers, entomologists, and so many more. Your unique monthly wooden play set features key vocabulary to support your play in both Spanish and English. Your wooden bilingual village play set is sure to inspire hours of creative and imaginative play. It wouldn't be an Hola Amigo kit without bilingual books. Each month you will receive a bilingual picture board book, as well as a nonfiction early reader. That's right, 2 bilingual books in every kit. You will also receive a dry erase activity book featuring 18 thematic learning activities and games, as well as interactive play pieces to create, imagine, and accompany your activity book play and learning. Each month delivers a new unique learning game for the whole family, as well as an activity card set. Your kit includes everything you need to inspire your little learner. All materials arrive ready to go and are completely reusable, allowing them to be shared and enjoyed for years to come. Where should we explore next? Our great bilingual aventura is just beginning. Join the waitlist today.